Today's forecast is brought to you by Discover South Carolina. Now is the perfect time to start planning your next adventure in the Palmetto State. Let's take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast here on this Tuesday, January 17th. Well, our central U.S. ice storm ending and continuing a little bit here across the Great Lakes in the Northeast early on this Tuesday, but definitely fading. And we're looking at some southern rain and storms to kind of take over with that particular storm system. A new one developing in the western U.S. with some rain, snow, and even ice. And this is going to be a devastating ice event for parts of the Northwest. Take a look at our precipitation forecast through Monday, looking at some widespread several-inch tallies from Seattle down to Redding. That's just plain old liquid. Again, some of that will be in the form of ice here across parts of Washington. And once you get into these reds and purples, it's indicating almost a half an inch to an inch of ice. So again, this is going to be pretty devastating, even through the Columbia River Gorge here near Portland and places off to the east. So get ready for that. The southwestern U.S. through Monday, still looking at several inches of precipitation. San Diego, maybe 3 inches. L.A. up to 5.5 inches. And the Bay Area, about 5 1/3 inch there as well. Temperatures now for the next several days in the eastern U.S. will be very warm as these storm systems from the west begin to lift northeast. So that'll keep us pretty warm. Here's Friday. Temperatures about 15 to 20 degrees above average. And then even through the end of the month, the northeast still warmer than average. So there's your front. Showers and storms over the southern U.S. may be severe with some marginal risk areas down around the coastal bend of Texas. Gusty winds, maybe an isolated tornado today. Thunder threat continues there on Wednesday and Thursday with a marginal threat over the lower Mississippi Valley Thursday. So that particular system, again, keeping us in the rainy weather over the next several days, with that very wet weather starting to shift into the west coast with several inches of precipitation, as I mentioned, over that next 5 days. And over a 7-day period, maybe double-digit snowfall tallies, maybe feet of snow in the high elevations of the Sierra Nevada range again. So again, pretty wild weather coming up over the west coast.